Hi everyone, welcome to 2-Minute PLC Tricks. In today's video, we're gonna find out how to fix HMI Tags Connection issue with existing PLC in Siemens TIA. So as you can see, here I have a test project and most of the tags that are here has the issue with connection with the existing PLC. The PLC is there as you can see, but it does not have any connection with it. So how can we fix it? Let's say if you go to the connection tab and somehow you don't find any connection to the PLC. Well, even if you add a new one, let's say you know that it's an Ethernet connection, you add the new connection, you cannot select any station or partner or any node. If you go back to the tag table and if you click on this little arrow, if you select the new connection, it will still not recognize the connection, and as you can see that it's still not connected. Those tags are still not recognizing the PLC. Well, what you need to do, here is the trick. Go down all the way to the tag list, click on the add new just for the temporary tag. Now here under the PLC tag, you click on the button and just select a random tag from the PLC. Let's say here I'm just selecting a random tag from the existing PLC and it will automatically create another connection. You can see it has created connection 2. I go to the connections tab. It has created another connection connected with the existing PLC and CPU. You can delete the old connection and you can also rename to match with the existing connection, which is connection_1 in my case. Let's see if I go back here. You have all the tags connected to the PLC. Now you can also change this tag back with the copy and paste, and now you have everything good. Well, that's it. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more time-saving tricks in the future, please subscribe to 2-Minute PLC Tricks. See you in the next video. Cheers.